When reading academic papers, it's easy to get lost in a sea of information. We might think that one idea makes sense, and so does another. But when writing a literature review, it's essential to analyze the strengths and weaknesses of existing research. This means we need to read papers critically. Critical thinking helps us dig deeper into research content. Simply summarizing the findings isn't enough. We need to evaluate the strengths, limitations, and assumptions behind the research. By doing this, we can identify gaps, which show the value of our own research. Good critical thinking involves questioning the assumptions behind a study and comparing them to other research findings. It also means recognizing biases and limitations and considering whether the results apply broadly. For example, in one study, a small group of students found that extra break time improved their grades. This might not apply to a larger population since it only involved a specific group. But another study, based on a larger sample, concluded that longer break times had no effect on students' grades. This type of critical analysis helps us avoid overgeneralizing. Now, it's not just important to read with critical thinking. It's equally crucial when writing a literature review. When summarizing research, you should highlight both the benefits and limitations of the studies you're reviewing. This creates a balanced, comprehensive view for your readers. Here, I'd like to introduce you to Scifocus's tool, Limitations and Benefits, which is perfect for evaluating the pros and cons of research. Let me show you how it can help you apply critical thinking in both reading and writing. First, we find this tool under the Insightful Reader category. After entering the tool, we upload the PDF of the paper we want to analyze. The paper we're analyzing is The Cognitive Atlas, Toward a Knowledge Foundation for Cognitive Neuroscience. Then we click Generate. Now, we get a description of the limitations and benefits of the paper. The Cognitive Atlas project has strengths, such as providing a clear terminology system, promoting literature search, and enabling meta-analysis, which pushes forward brain function research. However, it also has limitations, such as an incomplete initial vocabulary, reliance on manual organization, and difficulty covering all psychological processes, especially research involving non-human animals. If you're working on a case study, you could even include this description directly in your literature review. Scifocus offers several tools for students and researchers, covering everything from case analysis to extracting research highlights. Each tool has a different focus, covering all aspects of literature reading. Ready to read and write better? Try Scifocus today and enhance your critical thinking skills for your next literature review.